Hello my dear little kids. Today I am here with my another new video on mathematics for Olympiad 2022 Part 2. Chapter 1, Addition and Subtraction. So let's start with question number 1. Which math statement gives same value as 21 minus 13?
Answer B, that is 23 minus 15.
Yes, right. 21 minus 13 is equal to 8 and 23 minus 15 is also 8. So, your answer is correct. Question number 2. Ram had 10 oranges in box A and 10 oranges in box B. How many total oranges Ram had?
Answer A, that is 18.
Yes, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Question number 3. Age of Kishore is 18 years. His elder brother is 10 years older than Kishore. What is the age of Kishore's elder brother?
Answer B, that is 28.
Yes, age of his brother is 18 plus 10 is equal to 28. Question number 4. Which of the following option is more than 7 plus 5 but less than 8 plus 6?
Answer is D, all of these.
Yes, right. Here the solution will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. The between number is 13. So, all of these options are correct. Question number 5. There are 40 students in class 2, section A, 30 students in section B. How many total students are there in section A and B?
There are 70 students.
Yes, good. Total student is equal to 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Question number 6. Find the missing number. 55 plus dash is equal to 55.
0.
Yes. Any number added with 0 becomes the same number. So, option D is correct. Question number 7. Find the missing number. 35 minus dash is equal to 27.
8.
Yes. 35 minus 27 is equal to 8. Question number 8. Which of the following is equal to 3 plus 11 plus 17?
Answer D is 41 minus 10.
Yes, good. 3 plus 11 plus 17 is equal to 31 and 41 minus 10 is also 31. So, option D is correct. Question number 9. How much should be subtracted from 61 to get 29?
32.
Yes, 61 minus 29 is 32. Good. Question number 10. Akash has 6 red balls, 9 blue balls and 4 white balls. How many balls Akash has?
19.
Yes, good. Total number of balls here is 6 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 19. Question number 11. Raghu had 41 mangoes. Out of them, 12 mangoes were rotten. How many fresh mangoes Raghu has?
29.
Yes, here 12 mangoes are deducted. So, 41 minus 12 is equal to 29. Good. Question number 12. If plus means minus and minus means plus, then find out the value of 18 minus 16 plus 12.
22.
Very good. Here, when we change the sign, the solution becomes 18 plus 16 minus 12 is equal to 22. Very good. Question number 13. What is the total number of students in class 2 and 4?
Answer B. 16.
Good. Here 25 plus 35 is equal to 60. Question number 14. Class 2 has how many students less than class 4?
10.
Very good. Here we will deduct, that is 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. Question number 15. What will be the value of tens digit after the addition of number 53 and 29? Very good. 53 plus 29 is equal to 82. Then here 10 digit number is 8. Very nice. Question number 16. I have a lottery ticket whose number has 304 tens and 5 ones.
345.
Very good. Then the number will be 300 plus 40 plus 5 is equal to 345. Question number 16. A is equal to 19, B is equal to 43 and C is equal to 15.
62.
Very good. What will be the value of A plus B? The solution becomes A plus B is equal to 19 plus 43 is equal to 62. Question number 17. A is equal to 19, B is equal to 43 and C is equal to 15. What is the value of question mark in A plus B is equal to question mark minus C? Tell me the answer.
77.
Yes. In this, A plus B is equal to question mark minus C. So, when we bring minus C on the left side, the solution becomes 19 plus 43 plus 15. Answer is 77. Good. Question number 18. Symbol is equal to 37 and the next symbol is 43 is equal to 43. What is the value of both the addition of the symbols?
Answer is 18.
Very good. 37 plus 43 is equal to 80. Question number 19. Which digit should come in the box so that following addition is correct?
4.
Good. Here, when we subtract 92 minus 38, the value becomes 54. Here 4 is the place value. Question number 20. There are 427 houses on the one side of road and 373 houses on the other side. How many houses are there along the road?
800.
Very good. Here 427 plus 373 is equal to 800.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you.